Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you that how you can create a seamless loop of text animation in Adobe After Effects. So without further ado, let's get started. For that purpose I will create a new composition and rename it as main comp. I will change its width to 1920 and height into 1080. Frame rate is good and duration is also good for 10 seconds. You can increase or decrease the duration of the composition as you like. Now I will create a new composition for text placeholder and rename it as text placeholder. I will slightly decrease its width to 1000 and height to 250. I will enable the title action. Now I will use this rectangle tool to create a shape. And again I will duplicate it. I will change its color to and change the other to black. Now I will write the text. Center line the text by using Ctrl Alt Home and Ctrl Home. Now duplicate it. It's time to change the color and now our text placeholder is ready. I will place this text placeholder in our main composition and now I will animate it using motion tile. Changing the output width to somewhat 260, 70 and its height to around 900. Animated using this tile center. Make sure it is in the start of the composition and keyframe it. And when we will go to the end of the composition, we will just zoom out and we will increase and we will make it go down a little bit like this. What we will do next, we will apply an effect that is called Turbulence Displacement. And I will change the amount to around 40. Size is good. Now it's good. What I will do now is change its rotation to somewhat this. Now you can see it is fully animating and it's seamless loop. In this way, you can create your own title in Adobe After Effects and it's very easy and not much time taking. I hope that this tutorial will help you in order to create your own title animation. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with others. Till then, I will see you in next video.